Alright, let's get real about the Hewelth Therma-Ease Pro Shoulder Massager. Is it actually worth your money in 2026, or is this just another wellness gadget making big promises? So, here's what you're actually getting: a wrap-style hands-free device that uses carbon fiber heating and mid-frequency pulse stimulation. Basically, it's like a neck and shoulder spa session you can wear while working at your desk, catching up on your favorite show, or even commuting. I love how simple it is. No confusing apps, no Bluetooth headaches, just big, easy-to-use buttons. You get 3 heat levels and 3 massage modes to play with, and it's cordless and rechargeable, so you're not tied down to one spot. Now, does it deliver? A lot of users, especially those stuck at a laptop all day, report real relief from tech neck and stubborn muscle stiffness. That deeper, far-infrared heat does seem to give it an edge over your typical heating pad. But, yeah, there's a but. Some red flags you should know about. I've seen quite a few complaints about billing issues. People have reported surprise charges, especially when buying from third parties, and getting help from customer support. Not always a breeze. Plus, if you've got broader shoulders, the fit might not be perfect, even if you use the extension straps. Something to keep in mind if you want that full coverage massage. So, is it a scam? No, the device itself is legit, but the aggressive risk-free sales tactics and customer service hiccups are worth watching out for. Here's my honest take. If you're interested, stick to the official Hewelth website to avoid knockoffs and sketchy charges. And of course, if you have a pacemaker or a medical condition, always check with your doctor first. That's your rapid Therma-Ease Pro review. Let me know if you've tried it or if you're still on the fence.